Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear brothers and sisters, good morning to all.
Good morning.
Myself Deepika, grade 11 by PC. Today I will say about National Unity Day. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is observed on October 31st every year in India to regard the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was active in India's independence movement. He was also known as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, and he was the part of the Constituent Assembly. Means what is the Constitution is there. In that Constitution, so many legislative members are there. Among those all legislative members, he was the one member in that Constituent Assembly. On 31st October 2014, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi had inaugurated the National Unity Day to regard the tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel 143rd birth anniversary, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi had inaugurated the Jain Statue of Unity, which is the famous Narmada River in the Gujarat. And he was also known as the coined about the iconic slogan of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. What is the main significance and the main theme of the National Unity Day means? It aims to maintain the spirit of unity in diversity among the people. The purpose of National Unity Day is to all the people to work together and to build a better country for the gain and the profit. This day is celebrated to all the peoples to work in a unity in diversity. Thank you.